welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sandra, and in this video I want to show you how you can conceal your dark under eye circles only in a few minutes. So as you can see, this side is already done. This is the concealed side, and this is my very naked face without anything, without foundation and concealer. And maybe you can see it on camera, I have a huge discoloration going on right here underneath my eyes, and it took me so long to figure out how I can conceal my dark under eye circles very quickly and completely. In this video I will share all my tips and tricks with you, so if you're interested then just keep on watching. So here's a close-up of my dark under eye circles, and as you can see they are very large here, and I have little bags going on here, so I'll show you how to conceal this too. And they are blue here and a little bit purple, especially here and in the inner corners. What I always like to do before I do my makeup or conceal my under eye circles, I apply a moisturizer and an eye cream, so I have a nice base to build up the concealer. I always start with foundation, and I will do it very quickly. The first step to cancel out this discoloration is to color correct, and for that I'm using this Master Camo color correcting pen, and it's such a peachy shade, because if you have lots of blue and purple colors going on your under eye area, such a peachy shade is the best shade to cancel out this discoloration. And I just apply a little bit where I have the most discoloration in the inner corners. Don't take too much product, and then I just blend it out with my finger. And as you can see, I have bags right here underneath my eyes, and here it isn't as visible as here, but it's still there. And to cancel out these bags too, just take a very light concealer from a pot or a palette that is a little bit harder than a liquid one, and I just take this lightest shade here, and I just place it right here where the bags appear, because here it's just flat, but I will just place the concealer here. And don't blend it out, let it that way. Then I'm going in with my favorite concealers, and the one is from Catrice. It's the liquid Camouflage concealer in the shade 010 Porcelain, and the Manhattan Wakeup concealer in the shade Classic Beige. And I just mix them two together, because a mixture of them two gives me the perfect shade to this foundation. I wouldn't recommend using the Wakeup concealer alone, because it has not a very good coverage, and I only use it because it's very creamy and because of the color. But the liquid Camouflage concealer by Catrice has a very high coverage, so it covers everything and it's very buildable. Now I'm taking the liquid Camouflage concealer, and I just apply it in a triangle shade underneath my eyes. And then I'm taking the Manhattan Wakeup concealer and just apply a little bit on this area too. Then I wait about 10 seconds until I blend it all in. And for blending, I'm just taking a damp sponge, and I'm just start blending, but I only tap it in very gently. And I think you can see the difference right now. So here, if I'm looking down, the bags here are gone, and the discoloration is also gone. And I always like to go in with a little bit of a second layer, so I wait about 30 seconds to a minute until the first layer is a little bit dry, and then I just apply the second layer of the liquid camouflage concealer, and make sure you only tap it in very gently, because you don't want to move all the products that we put underneath the concealer around, so just very gently. And like I said, I just like to use a few more dots of the liquid camouflage concealer, and then I wait about 10 seconds, and now I'm just blending it in again. Here we go, now you can see the difference. And I always like to go in with the second layer because, I don't know, I feel more comfortable and I think it gives you more coverage, but I would recommend not to use too much concealer because, like I said before, if you have too much product going on underneath your eyes, it's possible that it gets into your lines or that it starts creasing, and you know, that's nothing we want. So just keep it very light. And to set everything in place, I just use powder, and I have two favorite powders now that I really like to use, and the one is from Catrice. It's this Beauty Illusion powder. It's a loose powder. And the second one is from Essence. It's this banana powder. As you can see, it's a little bit yellow. If I have a huge discoloration going on underneath my eyes, I prefer using the banana powder because it's yellow, and so it gives you a little bit more coverage than the translucent powder because it's white. To set everything in place, I take my beauty sponge again, and I'm just going into, I don't know how to show it, and I just rub down a little bit of the banana powder, and then I just very gently pressing it against my under eye area and a little bit here onto my pores. I know the face I'm doing right now is very weird because I'm always doing the face like this and looking upwards when I apply the powder on this area, because when I do this face, my fine lines underneath my eye disappear, and so I can set it in place without these lines, and so my concealer doesn't get into these fine lines during the day. So as you can see, there is a huge difference between those two sides. I hope it appears on the camera like it does in real life, because it's, when I look in the mirror, it's like nothing going on here, and here it's horrible. And I will zoom you a little bit more in so you can see it even closer. So guys, now that's the end of the video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know when I'm posting a new video. So yeah, I wish you an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!